And I myself had a pug when I was a working woman. I didn't have my creche at that time. So I know, I have been a pug mom, so I know how to take care of them, how emotional they are, and what special care they need because of all the wrinkles that they have on their face. So they need that daily cleaning. That is very important because those wrinkles underneath them, they need to be cleaned, brushed every day because they tend to get rashes. So these are some basic caring and grooming a pug needs on the daily basis. So they are so comfortable. It doesn't look like that this is a new home for them. This has been a second home for them because Riku has been coming to my creche from his puppyhood. Then Shreya joined in. মুন হচ্ছে কি বলবো, মুন হচ্ছে আমাদের কিউটি মেয়ে, খেতে খুব ভালোবাসে।
গার্ল গ্যাংয়ে যাবে, আমার গার্ল গ্যাং ও সবাই খেয়ে নেয়, চাপা চাপা করে খেয়ে নেয়।
Choco, you need to behave with the girls. Choco, you need to behave with the girls, okay? For that matter, with your Didi. This is Zoro and Kiko. Both of them have arrived now, and they have stayed earlier also, and they will be staying during the pujas. So my puja babies are arriving one by one, and I'm really very happy. And they are very friendly in my creche, and their mom, she depends a lot on my creche for the baby. She feels very relaxed. So this is Ghutum, and that's Zoro. So I'm introducing Zoro and Ghutum to my friends. Very nice baby, very well trained, very disciplined, and very sweet.